The Port of Ashdod is the biggest one in Israel and rated among the 100 ports of containers in the entire world. My responsibilities include managing the port's virtual environment and data storage. I also manage the Microsoft and Unix environment and IT information security. The IT department is the heart of Port of Ashdod operational environment. With downtime in those systems will cause a direct financial loss for the port. The main business and tech factors that brought on adapted usage of VDI was OS challenges on the vehicle and cranes at the Port of Ashdod. We had a lot of problem with the operating system that caused boot failure, and we needed to reinstall continuously the operating system on those devices. In order to maintain the consistency of virtual environment, we decided to take VMware VDI as a VDI solution for our port. It was a good solution for our environment due to the fact we had good experience with it before. By using the VDI infrastructure, the problem at the OS decreased by 75% and the availability and productivity of the port's vehicle and cranes was high. Furthermore, there's no need to upgrade the resources on the end devices due to the fact that the whole entire computing process is done on the virtual environment system. We chose VMware after looking into several virtual systems. VMware was chosen due to the fact it was installed in a lot of places in the world and was very reliable with minimal downtime. We're currently using 5 VMware solutions at the Port of Ashdod, using vCenter to manage the ESXi cluster with HA and DRS. It also creates workstation for the VDI, and with the API of the backup system with daily backup of the virtual servers. We're using the View for virtual desktop for end devices that are installed in the vehicles and the crane of the port that works over the Wi-Fi network. We're using SRM to manage the DR site for a VAST BCP in case of a disaster. We have the vSphere to convert most of the physical server to the virtual environment. 90% of the port servers are VMware private cloud-based, 5% on a public-based, and the remaining 5% are physical servers. The port is an infrastructure that's crucial for the state of Israel and needs to be operational at all times. To accomplish that, we installed a DR site based on VMware and EMC solutions. The migration to the virtual server environment, currently 180 virtual servers over 8 physical servers, estimated to save the port $1.5 million at the first 4 years. 50% of it comes from decrease in usage of license, and 50% come from saving energy like electricity and AC, and less requirement of hardware like switches and servers. Infrastructure-wise, it takes to install a new virtual server 90% less time than installing a new physical server. Adding resources to the server decreases the downtime by 50% when adding CPU or memory, and 100% when adding new storage to the system. Our cloud strategy is to use a hybrid one. The public is for email and internet traffic. The private one is for the remaining system of the port. In the near future, we plan to expand the usage of VDI VMware at the entire operational environment of the Port of Ashdod.